full step-by-step guide and details for BSM Pi Service Marketplace. Welcome to BSM Pi Service Marketplace on Mainnet. Hello and welcome. We are excited to introduce you to our BSM Pi Service Marketplace, now available on Mainnet. Let's take you through the steps to use our platform and maximize its features. Access BSM on Pi Browser. Start by opening the Pi Browser and entering our URL /bharatshoppingmartinfo. Remember, full features of BSM are accessible only through the Pi Browser. Landing on the home page. Once you land on the home page, you will see various options and sections. Let's explore them one by one. Access Pi Services Marketplace. On the home page, you can easily find the Pi Services Marketplace. You have two ways to access it. 1. Click directly on the Pi Services Marketplace Mainnet link from the home page. 2. Use the side navigation menu to go to the Pi Services Marketplace. Explore the About Us section. While on the home page, don't forget to check out the About Us section. Here you can find more details about our journey, our roadmap, our history, and future plans. Learn how we started, where we are now, and where we are headed. Check out our blog and support page. Scroll down to the bottom of the home page, and you will find our blog. The blog section provides you with videos and information about BSM, details about various BSM packages, a dedicated BSM support page where you can get help and support. Access your profile. At the top icon, you can access all your profile information. This includes your user service profile and service provider account. Manage all your service activities conveniently from one place. Navigate to the Pi Services Marketplace from home or from side menu. Once you click and go to the Pi Service Marketplace, you'll find comprehensive details about what the Pi Service Place is all about. Here at BSM, everyone has a place. We are here to connect you and bridge the gap. BSM, connecting you with skilled professionals. Looking for skilled professionals to meet your needs? BSM has got you covered. Whether you need a painter, plumber, engineer, restaurant to post your menu, taxi services, tourism services, or online service providers, BSM has it all. You can post any service on BSM and get connected with customers worldwide who pay with Pi. For users and service providers. For users, if you're looking for services and ready to pay with Pi, you can easily find the service you need, connect with the provider, and pay with Pi. For service providers, if you're looking to earn more Pi, this is your opportunity. As Pi mining becomes slower and yields fewer coins, you can now earn more Pi by offering your services in exchange for Pi. Exploring the marketplace. On the Pi Service Marketplace page, you'll find a map feature that helps you locate all listed Pi services in your region and around the world. See how Pi services are spreading globally by clicking Find My Location. Register your new service. You'll also find a button to register your new service. Click it, fill in the details about your service, select Mainnet, and it gets posted in seconds. Manage your services. You can also go to My Service account to see all your listed services. Manage your services, update details, and keep track of service requests. Tutorial and search features. A guide button will take you to a tutorial video with steps to use BSM service. The search function allows you to search by location, name, service, business, or Mainnet. Use the search bar to find specific services quickly. Interactive map and service details. Clicking icons on the map will show you brief details about the services. You can also find all registered services listed on the page. If you want more information about a service, click the View Details button to see full details and contact the service provider. View service details. When users find a service of their liking, they can click View Details to find more information about it. In the service details, users will find service provider's name, address, and contact information, user ratings and comments about the service, payment details, the number of users who visited, used, and reported the service. Users can also report a service as fake if they find any discrepancies after contacting the service provider. Simply click the Report Fake Service button and add your comment. View contact details. To view the contact details of the service provider, click the View Contact button. Approaching them is easy, and you can get your service and pay with Pi. Additional service provider details. For services like restaurants, If the service provider has added a menu, users can view it. Similarly, if a company or any provider offers packages for their services, you can see those details as well. View contacted history. If you want to view your contacted history, click the top drop-down menu and go to the Pioneer Service Profile. Here, you can see all your previously contacted services, including those you have rated and those you have not yet rated. If you haven't rated a service yet, you can click the Rate Now button to give your rating and add your comments. Once submitted, your rating will be posted for all users to see. Service Provider Dashboard features. In the Service Provider Dashboard, you can manage all aspects of your listed services. View all services. See a list of all your posted services. Edit services. Click the Edit button to update your service details. Delete services. Remove a service by clicking the Delete button. Important note, avoid posting fake services. If 5 users report a service, it will be blocked. However, you can request to unblock it by providing additional details. Service Details page. In the Service Details page, you can add or update various elements. Add menu. For restaurants, you can add a detailed menu. Add packages. For online services, you can add different packages. Add store details. For stores, you can add product details and descriptions. Edit service information here. You can update service categories and details. Edit or delete the service information. Add or update the profile photo of your service. Monitor user interactions. You can also see user ratings and comments about your service. The number of users who visited, used, and reported your service. Utilize BSM free plan. All users and service providers are provided with the BSM free plan, which includes 5 free contacts. Each user can view up to 5 contact details for free. 2 free service posts. Each service provider can post up to 2 services for free. Upgrade to premium plans. After utilizing the free plan, you can subscribe to our premium plans to maximize your reach and earnings. For users, reach more service providers and access additional features. For service providers, post more services, reach more users, and enjoy enhanced platform benefits. To subscribe, send us the payment and email us the provided details. Your plan will be activated promptly. BSM support and community engagement. For any queries, visit the BSM support page. You can always reach us through the following. Email, contact us at the provided email address. Telegram, connect with us on Telegram. Social media, subscribe to our social media channels for the latest updates and information. Learn more about BSM, about us. Discover why BSM is the first of its kind, dedicated to Pi services. Roadmap. Check our detailed roadmap for future plans and developments. Why BSM? Learn how BSM is pioneering the Pi ecosystem and offering a unique platform for Pi users. Partnership opportunities. Earn more Pi by becoming a partner with BSM. Help establish BSM in your country or region and contribute to the expansion of the Pi ecosystem. Our dedicated team is constantly working to bring more features and enhance the platform. Check out our partners, including those from Africa, and join us in this exciting journey. Conclusion: BSM is the first of its kind, offering a unique future of Pi Service Place. Navigate effortlessly with our business map, discover services with intuitive search, read trusted user reviews, and transact securely, all powered by Pi cryptocurrency. Earn more Pi through posting services on Pi, apart from traditional Pi mining. The fastest way to make more Pi is by offering your services in BSM Pi Service now. Also, use any service using Pi Crypto, not the old normal way of using country currency credit cards, but a future Pi Crypto. Explore the Pi Services Marketplace and the Pi Second Life Market, where you can access a diverse range of services and sustainable products. Become a partner of BSM, expanding BSM in your region and making more Pi through partnership. Why wait? Come join now and don't miss the early opportunity. Partner with BSM to leverage our growing user base, expand your market presence, and capitalize on innovative opportunities. Don't be the one saying, "I wish I had joined BSM earlier." Be the one saying, "Best decision ever." BSM, your gateway to Pi prosperity. The future is here, it's bright, and it's powered by BSM. Don't miss out. Join now. Join us on this transformative journey. Visit our website. Stay updated and connected. Follow us on social media to stay updated on our latest features and news. Support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Join the BSM on Pi community today and start earning more Pi through innovative and engaging business activities. Embrace the future and partner with us today. Join BSM on Pi Network. Earn more Pi. Build your future. Start your journey with BSM today. Thank you for being a part of the BSM family. Happy exploring and earning.